Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is my 2011 328. I decided today I'm not going to actually film a DIY. Well, maybe a little bit, but primarily I just wanted to introduce my actual car and a little bit more about my channel and why I made it. I decided, you know what, I've been working on my car myself for a little while. I've been keeping up the maintenance and checking all the issues that come up. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to help out everybody else who has either similar issues or if they have the same car and just want to get more knowledge about it. So this is my 2011 328, sadly not a 335, but I love this thing. It's a great car. I mean, I think it's just one of BMW's best made cars. I wish it was a 335 with the proper twin turbo, but that's all good. You gotta love what you have. So I love this thing. It's a 2011. It's the LCI, so it's got the facelift and N52 motor. I've done a couple things to it here and there. I mean, you can see the M front conversion, as you saw in my last videos. I fixed the crack, so got bad lighting today, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I got my front splitter back on, so it's a little more aggressive looking in the front end. All my lights are tinted, not super dark, just a little bit of nightshade style. And unfortunately in Ontario you need those unknowing front plates, but yeah, so I got my M front bumper, got the double stack kidney grills from DM cars as well. I've got a set of E39 M parallels. Let me get you a side view of these things. There you are. The fitment is really aggressive with these. Actually, it's quite nice. It's from a 5 series, so, and it's staggered setup. So I've got two 25s in the front, two 55 35s in the rear. You can see my sister's car. She's got a red X3. She recently got it. My car and her car are a mess from sitting outside in the rain, but for the last couple of days, at least for the last 2 days, we've got proper weather. So I decided today's a good day to finally give her a quick wash. And you can see all the dirt that's on this thing from sitting outside, especially on those side skirts. I have those installed as well. In the future, what I'm planning on doing, especially because we're stuck in the situation, can't really go anywhere, so I'm gonna do a little bit more DIYs, but I'm gonna show like all the stuff I've done, and I'll show you actually how I made those side skirts. They're DIY, they're actually homemade side skirts extensions. So I decided, you know what, today is gonna be one of those chill days, but with this introduction, I hope that you guys follow the channel, subscribe, so that you can keep up with the new content that I'll be posting. Unfortunately, my GoPro died today, so I'm using my phone to film this. But I think my phone is pretty good with these videos. I haven't really done too much video on my phone, but at least from what I can see, it turned out pretty good from the test that I did earlier. So yeah, let's give this thing a quick wash. I'm going to actually spray this down. I'm actually testing out my Turtle Wax Seal and Shine. I actually applied it the very first time a couple weeks back, and I haven't actually properly washed the car since, because it was either parked inside or I just didn't get a chance to. So I'm gonna give this thing a quick wash. We're gonna spray it down. I'll show you how that Turtle Wax Seal and Shine also works in beating water and making this car a little bit more hydrophobic. So before I get too much into rambling, let's get to it. All right, we're also going to be testing out this ice snow foam wash on this car. And now I've used this on my X1 yesterday, and it actually came out super good. Like, I was shocked at the results of how good this stuff is. The fact that this car has the Seal and Shine on there and my X1 doesn't should make it even better, because this car, as far as I seen it in the rain, was super hydrophobic. So I might not even need to scrub this one at all, so I might just spray it on, let it sit for a couple. In fact, the sun's coming out again. Might not be the best situation, but let's get started either way. I'm going to be setting up my pressure washer here, and we'll be back once that's done. Alright, you all ready to blow your mind away with how good this Turtle Wax stuff is? Check this out. Look at the water beading. Holy smokes. This stuff is great. Look at the beating of the water. Nothing gets stuck to this thing. Oh, I love this. Alright, you know what? It's good now because the sun has mostly gone down, so I'm going to start washing properly. I did the rims. A little bit cleaned up now. Let's see those. Oh yeah. Nice and silver again. Now let's get the car to being black again. Okay, let's check out the suds. Not bad. This is a little bit more of a watery soap rather than a gel, so it is a little bit brody, but not bad at all. I actually quite like it. It smells like cotton candy, which is really nice. I usually like Meguiar's products, but you know what? This turtle wax stuff is really growing on me now. I think they've improved a lot. A lot of detailers online, like Pandy Organizers, always suggesting to use their Seal and Shine, so I decided, you know what, let me try their car wash as well, because the Seal and Shine itself was really good. And this soap is awesome. Alright. Sorry my washer here, the cobalt washer, is so damn loud, but yep, this stuff works really well. Alright, let's get this done. Sorry I don't have my tripod. Still waiting on it. Once I get that, I'll give you some time lapses and maybe a little more detail in my videos. Let's get to it. Alright, it's all soaped up. I'm gonna let this sit. The other thing I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna respray the rims one more time so that all the brake dust on the insides come out. So back at it again with all wheel cleaner. Let's get this in. Okay, the car wash is done. So honestly, this stuff is great. Here, let me show you what I mean. This Seal and Shine, this stuff is awesome. I mean, the results speak for themselves. Look at the beating. I mean, the car is drying up on its own. No streaks, no watermarks. It's gonna come out great. I love it. Let it sit for a bit actually first, and then start drying up the car. Microfiber towel as always. You can still see those beads running off, which is great. And I'm gonna park up in my complex parking lot so I can take better pictures of the car, and just give you a little walk around of it. Alright, it's all washed up, dried up and everything. Okay, so here's a proper look at the car now. Finally it's all cleaned up. Finally looks black again. So yeah, a couple other things that I've done. Obviously I've changed out the halos because these ones with the halogens come with the yellow, and I hate yellow bulbs now, so I decided to get the LEDs. There's the X1 over there looking all nice and clean, and I also have upgraded my head unit, so I've done the Joying Auto one. It's a 7-inch screen. I need to clean the inside too. Salt. But yeah, that's how she sits. So now we're gonna, I guess, skip to some shots of the car. Alright, here's where I'm going to end the video. I think you get a little bit of an idea of how my car is and what I've done. you know, finally it's all cleaned up so you guys can get a better look at it, because all my videos are generally where the car's dirty, and I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna make sure the car is cleaner and maybe get my GoPro and a proper tripod set up for the next couple videos. But stay tuned for more content on this car, some more maybe on that one, maybe on the X1 over there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go on a little bit of a bike ride because the weather's nice, and I'll park this thing inside so it stays nice and clean, looking all black and fresh. Nice silver E39M parallels. Oof, damn, with the tire shine it really pops. I really like them. I think I need to lower the car a little bit. I'm definitely gonna buy a set of coilovers. I'm gonna skip the lowering springs because I've heard a lot of people say that they blow. I don't want to deal with blown shocks. I'm gonna probably look for a nice set of coilovers. I need to get my trunk lip still. It's on order, but as you know, with the current situation, everything that's been ordered is gonna take forever to come in, and it's understandable. But yeah, you know, we'll make a DIY on how I install that and how I got this car where it is and everything. I love the fitment with these rims. By the way, 255s in the rear, 225s in the front. So yeah, we'll be back with more content next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Okay, maybe one more shot. There we go. That's a better look. I forgot some spots down there. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.